Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're getting a first look at the stunning Lexus LC 2025. This isn't your average luxury coupe. It's a head-turning fusion of elegance, performance, and cutting-edge technology. So buckle up, and let's dive into what makes this Lexus stand out. The first thing that grabs you about the LC is its design. The silhouette is sleek and aggressive, with a low, sweeping roofline that screams sophistication. Lexus has really outdone themselves with the lines and curves. They're sharp and dramatic, yet flow together beautifully. It's a car that looks fast, even when it's standing still. Speaking of fast, the LC offers a thrilling driving experience. There are two main powertrain options: a next-generation hybrid system that delivers instant torque and impressive fuel efficiency, and a powerful twin-turbo V6 engine for those who crave pure power. Now, I know what you're thinking, hybrid and fast in the same sentence? Well, with Lexus advanced engineering, the hybrid LC can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a jaw-dropping time, proving that eco-friendly doesn't have to mean sacrificing performance. Let's get a bit more technical for the car enthusiasts out there. The LC boasts a new adaptive suspension system that adjusts to your driving style and road conditions, delivering a smooth and comfortable ride or a more dynamic handling experience depending on your preference. The available all-wheel drive system with torque vectoring ensures you stay glued to the corners, while the upgraded brakes provide confident stopping power. Step inside the LC and you're greeted by a luxurious and driver-focused cabin. Materials are top-notch, with buttery soft leather and beautiful accents that create a truly premium feel. Lexus hasn't forgotten about technology either. The infotainment system is intuitive and easy to use, featuring a large touchscreen display and voice commands. And for the audiophiles, the available Mark Levinson sound system will have you feeling like you're at a concert every time you turn on the music. One of the things that truly sets the LC apart is its commitment to craftsmanship. Lexus calls it human-centered design, and it's evident in the meticulous attention to detail throughout the car. From the perfectly stitched seats to the hand-painted trim elements, LC feels like a work of art, not just a machine. The Lexus LC is a car for those who appreciate the finer things in life. It's for drivers who crave a balance of style, performance, and innovative technology. If you're looking for a statement piece that turns heads wherever you go, LC is definitely worth considering. Well, that's all we have time for today on the Lexus LC 2025. This is a car that truly embodies the future of luxury, and I, for one, can't wait to see it on the road. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the LC, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thanks for watching.